Hi, welcome to Viral Skill 247. My name is Henry Waters, and if this is your first time in this channel, please subscribe and also like this video if you got value from it. Okay, in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to send an email with PHP contact form using PHP Mailer. Okay, in my previous video, I taught you how to create PHP contact form with validation. Okay, this seems like the continuation of it, but in this case, we'll be sending our contact messages to the owner of the website email address, all right, using PHP Mailer. Okay, so don't just stick with me to the end of this video. I'm sure you're going to get enough value from it, and also don't forget to like this video. All right, so this is my starter files. This is my attach underscore upload folder, attachment folder, PHP Mailer. I'll show you how I got that from GitHub. This is my contact.php folder and the rest of it as well. Okay, I will be heading to my code editor now. All right, this is my contact page. All right, so remember, if you haven't watched my previous video, please do so by clicking this icon on top. All right, so you can be able to know how we got all these codes as well. Then you can come back. All right, so this is my database connection. All right, then this is my mailer.php. Okay, we'll be getting this sample code from GitHub. All right, I also have a HTML body for our PHP Mailer. All right, this is the custom HTML body. If you need the code, if you also need the source code of this tutorial, please don't forget to leave that in the comment section. Let me know, and also send me an email. I'll forward it to you as I always do. All right, okay. So first thing I'm going to do here is to show you what I have on my browser. Okay, and this is how the mailer.html looks like. Okay, when we send email using the contacts us page, all right, the email will be in this format. Okay, when we receive it in our email address, this is how it will look like. All right, with the logo and everything, and also the email body. Remember, if you need it, don't hesitate to let me know. Okay, leave that in the comment section. All right, so but before then, let's head over to our contact.php right now. All right, so the changes we'll be making here is remember in this code right here. Okay, after the file has been moved to the attachment folder, before it was moved, first thing that was done here, the name of the file was changed. Okay, change the name of files. In that way, different customers, at least in no way, won't be able to upload the same file having the same name. That's what this code does here. Okay, just a reminder. All right, before moving the file to the attachment folder. All right, now the attach underscore upload, like I said before, this is where we'll be lifting the same file that we'll be using to attach in our email before sending it. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do here is to add a code here that will move the file to our attach underscore upload. So I'll define a variable, call it directory, that's dir. Okay, then I'll add my attach underscore upload folder. All right, then concatenate that, then add our files. All right, then the file, that is the name. Okay, so the file name is file. All right, so just before I forget, I'll show you where I got that name. So as you can see here, the name is what file. That's where we got that from. All right, just in case if you don't remember. So next I'm going to add here is the move underscore uploaded file function. All right, then we'll add our file. All right, then the name as well. Okay, and this one will be temporary name. Right, then we'll pass our directory. All right, so while we're moving this to this attachment folder, this is where we'll be lifting it when we'll be working with our mailer.php. Okay, lifting the file which we'll be sending, attaching it to our mail that we'll be sending. Okay, So next thing up here, remember this place is where the successful message will echo. Okay, we'll just comment that and include our mailer mailer.php file. Okay, and save that. I think I'm done with what we're supposed to do here. Then we'll move over to our mailer.php file. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, you're going to go to GitHub and get our sample code. All right, the URL address is in the description box below, just in case if you want to check it out. Okay, so when we head over here, I'm going to copy this code right here. Okay, I need to copy that and head back. So I'm going to paste it right here. All right, so we'll be making some few changes here. Okay, like here we're going to enter our SMT protocol. What is our SMT protocol? Our SMT protocol is SSL. Okay, because the information we're going to be adding here is going to come from our cPanel. Okay, as our host. All right, so our SMT secure is what? XSL. All right, then our host, if you are making use of Gmail as your host, like smtp.yourgmail.com, you can add that there, but we're making use of our cPanel. All right, so for that we're going to be adding our host, and usually you're going to get that from your hosting company. They will send you to you as a mail. All right, so mine will be mail dot, usually your domain name comes and as well as the extension. All right, so I'm making use of the domain name of affiliates.com. Okay, you need to add what yours is. All right, so for the port number, since we're making use of cPanel host, our port number is usually 465. All right, then here we're going to be entering our mail ID. Right, so our mail ID is if you head over to your cPanel right here, if you log into your cPanel as you're seeing here, go to email account, click on that. This should bring you here. All right, if you don't have any email, you need to click on this and create email and follow other instructions and create your email and password. All right, okay, so the email I will be using here is the support. All right, support@affiliates.com. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be adding here, support at. All right, then the password, we're going to be adding the password as well. I'm going to still change this just for security reasons. Okay, so my password is viral skill 247 at 11. All right, that's my password. Okay, in our file part here, remember we will be adding an attachment. Okay, so we'll be adding our folder which is attached. That's when we'll be lifting the file which we'll be uploading. Okay, so the attach_upload, just like as we have here. All right, that's the folder we added, and then we're going to concatenate that and add the file. Okay, the file name. All right, then we're going to comment this. Okay, if you don't need the attachment folder, you can still comment this so that this code won't run. All right, so next changes we're going to make here, we're going to enter our cPanel email address. So support. All right. So next thing up here is to I'm going to be making some changes. I'm going to change this error variable to message variable. Okay, because in our contact.php file, what we echo is this variable. All right. So we're going to change that. Change it to message. Do the same here as message, and here as well. All right. So that is it. So we can as well just change this. Okay, we can just say successfully sent. We will get back to you soon. All right. One good thing about making use of PHP Mailer in our contact us page in our website is at least we can be able to get a quick notification from our customers once they contact us. Okay. So next changes we're going to be making here is to add the destination, like our email address, okay, where we need the email sent from our website, the destination. Okay, so I will add my email address, my Gmail email address, which is gjh. All right, I think it's correct. Then from, where is the email coming from? Like I say, it's coming from our cpanel email address. All right. Then the name of the sender. Okay. So we're going to get the name of the sender. Remember, we included this mailer.php in our contact us page. We included this file here. So the name of the sender, we're going to get this from this variable. All right. So we're going to add that variable there. Okay. Then the subject, I'm going to delete this, add that here, add subject. Okay, we're picking that up from from what the user entered here. Okay, we're putting the subject there. All right, hope you understand. So then our message body. All right, okay, this is where we'll be needing this our mailer.html script. Okay, so a message body, look, this is how it looks like I showed you before. This is where the message body will be, and also this is where the name of the sender will go in. All right, so we can as well add that, but before then we're going to copy everything here and paste it. All right, so we're going to be doing some of the changes that we'll be needing. All right, so to do those changes, we are going to add our name variable here, add names. Then here we're going to be adding our message. Okay, this will fetch any message we have in this variable. Okay, so we're going to add that here. Match message. All right. We can as well add our subject here. Okay, can as well do that. Subject. All right. I think it's looking good now. Is there any other thing we need to do here? Okay, I'm going to head back to be sure that I didn't have any errors. Okay. All right. Okay, I forgot to add change this variable to message. Okay, change this one to message as well. Then I'm going to add a HTML tag. Remember, if you have gotten value from this tutorial, please don't forget to like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe from this channel, so when I release new video, you'll be the first to see it. Okay. All right, I think it's looking good now. So we're going to head over to our browser and text our sample code. But before then, I haven't showed you how to get this PHP Mailer folder. Okay, this is where you are going to get it. The URL is in the description box below. Okay, so if you need that, you can search for it. So when you get over to this page, I'll leave this URL in the description box. You're going to download this. All right, make sure you download the 5.2 stable version. All right, then click on this code. I've already done that before. Download the zip file. All right, when you download it, you extract it and also change the folder name. As you can see, the name here is PHP Mailer. Okay, when you download that, it will have other names in it. You need to change it so that it will tally with what we have in our require function, just like here. Okay. All right, so we're going to head over to our browser and text run our code. I'm going to show you my database structure. Okay, for this tutorial, this is how my database looks like. All right, has a database name of what contact underscore for, with table name of what contact us, with other names as well. All right, so we're going to text that now. So I'm going to fill this form field here. Going to fill that here as well. Fill that here. I want to add, okay, our message will be, I want to know how much it will cost me for PHP contacts from tutorial and the duration of the course. All right, so we are going to add our attachment now. So you can add any attachment, PDF, doc files, images, whatever you want. Okay, I'm going to add this. All right, I think we're set. Okay, before I push this button, I think I just remembered to add one function in our script. Okay, in our mailer.php, I forgot to add a function. It's called onLink function. Okay, what this function does, it deletes the uploaded file. Okay, the file that has been moved to the folder. Okay, this attach underscore upload folder, this folder right here. The reason why this is being added, you know, the contact us page will be used with by a lot of customers. Okay, and in this code right here, we're only picking only the file that is in that folder. Okay, so we need to delete it in that when other customers send in their message with their attachment or files, okay, the right file will be picked up. Okay, so that's the reason we need to delete that. Okay, that's why I'm adding this just below the success message. All right, so when it's been successful, there's no need having that file there. Okay, so I'm going to pass the variable of what path. All right, okay, I need to add a forward slash here. I forgot that, so sorry about it. Seems like I made the same mistake here. All right, need to add the forward slash there because this is a folder and the file is inside the folder. All right, so we're going to head back now and hit on our send. Okay. All right, successfully sent. It was successful. Okay, and I'm going to check if we have it in our database. As we can see, the file is there. Remember, the other script changed the name. So I want to check here. Sorry, not there. See, the file is not here. All right. So we're also going to check our email to see if we received any email notification. Okay, maybe we need to wait for some time in order to get the notification. All right, but I'm sure this is successful. Okay. Yes, we got the email in our email address, and it just took some time before we could get it. Okay, so I'm going to open it up and see. As you can see, this is the email. Okay, this is the body, the HTML body as we have. This is the subject. So have what we have in the message body and the name of the sender. Okay, just like as we have here. All right, guys, we have gotten tutorial, and finally, this is the attachment which we added. Okay, we got that successfully. Although we don't have it in our attachment folder because we unlinked it. In that way, when new customer sends their own file, it will be their file that will be sent. Okay, hope you understand what I mean by that. All right, if you got value from this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Okay, and also like this video. Please share it with your friends, and I will appreciate that. Okay, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one.